Good morning, guys. Today's video I am going to fix my coffee table. As you know, I have 4 kids, 4 active kids. Well, more my boys are more active, but I need to fix the leg of it, and I decided to just kind of change it up. And I was thinking of just sanding the top down and make the top brown, like its natural wood color, and stain it. So let me show you my coffee table. I brought it in the kitchen, so 1 second. So this is my coffee table, and there's the problem. So I gotta fix that. I'm gonna try wood glue, see if that'll work. But I took the drawers out. I had drawers, but the problem is it's the top. Sorry for the string. Permanent marker. Say, I don't know how these kids do this. And I was thinking of sanding it down and just make the top part, stain a wood color, dark wood color, and leave the bottom the way it is. But I can't find my electric sander, and doing this manually will take forever. So we'll see what I come up with, though. But yeah, that's the coffee table. And so I'm gonna tackle that today and see what I can do with it. And again, I'm on this kick of decluttering and fixing up, stuff. And I think the next one I'm gonna work on is my living room / computer area. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the problem. Sorry for the squeaky floors. And I'm gonna just use wood glue. So I'm gonna use Gorilla wood glue. And I'm gonna try my best to see if you guys can see this. So let's turn it there. Give it a little bit more light. Light's not helping. So there's a nail right here. So I'm gonna pull this out with this. Hope I can get it out. Okay, got that out. Now, let's see if we can get the glue in here. Wish I can get in there. Oh yeah. Now it's not gonna look pretty. Get the other side. Let's see if I can get some. Be right back. It pays to be a crafter. Let's see, does this fit in there? Whoops, sorry guys. Yeah. So I'm just gonna put glue on this popsicle stick and see if I can get it in there. That's a weird angle. Again, it's not going to be pretty, but thank God it dries clear. A bit more. So on top. Check the other side. I need to put some glue on that side. Again, it's not gonna be pretty, but it's gonna dry clear. There we go. Put some stuff on. Okay, let's see how that comes out. So as you can see, I found my sander. Yay! I was so excited because this is my second sander because I lost the first one. And so I was happy that I located this one. So I decided, okay, let me keep it somewhere I can always find it. But as you can see, I'm sanding, and as I was sanding, I realized that I'm using the wrong grit size for paper. I think I had like a 220 grit paper when I should have used like a 150 to really get it off. So it took me about 15 to 20 minutes to sand this off. But as you can see at the bottom of the screen, the paint is coming off. So yeah, I just had to get a lower grit size. So I sanded it off, and as you can see, I'm using espresso color. And let me tell you, this is my first time staining a table. So as you can see, I spilled some of the stain, but as it's going, I was like, oh, I like the color. And then as I continue staining, I'm like, wait a minute, why is it like blotchy and some spots are light? And I was just like, oh my gosh, this is not working out the way I planned it. As a DIYer, you know, you're not going to always have projects that go well. You're going to have some epic fails, and this was an epic fail. Now I can re-sand it and start over. I realized the problem was I didn't sand it to one color. I think I had spots I need to sand more, so, but I was like, wow, but I'm okay with it. Okay guys, so this is the coffee table. It doesn't look that bad. It actually gives it character. It kind of looks, you know, it's different. So I decided to keep it because at first I'm like, oh, I ruined it. I don't want it, you know, but I like the way it looked. It actually came out pretty good. It almost looks like a farmhouse style table because it's light and dark and has some, and like over here, if you look, you can see it's kind of looks like it's distressed, a little white, even though it could look like it's dirt, but I like it. I decided to paint the base white instead of having it the gray, and I'll show you the leg that I fixed. This is the leg, and you can't even tell. I mean, if you're up really close, you can see like a little puddle of glue, but you can't really see it. No one's really looking at that. But I like it. I think it came out not bad. It's not an epic fail, but I did learn a lot from staining and what I need to do. So it's a lesson to be learned. That's how I see it. But I'm going to keep it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed DIYs in this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, if this is your first on my channel, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button so you can see more of my projects, and put on a notification bell so you know when I put up a video. Thank you so much, guys, and until we meet again, have a very blessed day.